Okay, so this is the second part, the reading. Just like the gap fill, it starts with little questions to take you on to the longer section. 3 sections in each section, if you know what I mean. Now here, the writing's very small, I know. I don't know why. Little tricky passage to read. We see the answer. The best answer must be on a hillside because it's a dry river valley. Tricky, no river. 20-minute walk from the bridge. It's not by a bridge. We press that and press next. Now notice here, the blue line here indicates where you are in the test. Now this seems to show you're halfway, doesn't it? Well, beware here. The first half we've already done, to be honest, is a lot easier than the second half. You should do the first half not in 15 minutes, but in 10 minutes, leaving yourself 20 minutes for the second half, which you will see from now on is much more detailed. Let's press that now. Here's the first, what I would call the first tricky and detailed, difficult part of the exam. It's the reading passage. There is 6 paragraphs and there are 6 questions. There are 6 paragraphs and there are 6 questions. It might be a good idea to read it all first by scrolling down to get a general idea of the subject if you feel you have time for it. So question 1 relates to paragraph 1. Notice the tricky thing in Cambridge test. They always do this, those Cambridge people. They put a trick word. You see the word talent scouts here and you think, talent scouts. Yes, that's the answer. No, it won't be that simple. These Cambridge tests always use synonyms. The answer for this is number 2, or B. This must have self-assurance. Confidence is here, the synonym, the same meaning. Appealing personality, lots of charm. The answer is this, B. Okay, synonyms will help you here. Look for synonyms, don't expect the exact word in the paragraph. Now, here is where one of the biggest, probably the biggest disaster mistake could happen in this exam. Because when I was doing it, after doing question 1, I naturally wanted to press this button here, next. But what happens? Boom! Warning, incomplete task. You have not finished this task. Do you still want to go to the next task? If you press yes here, well, that's a ticket to Genting. That is not a good thing because you're going to lose all of that section. You click no. So don't press this one. That is when you've finished all the 6 parts, you see. So after question 1, press the little next button up here for question 2, which is here now, which relates to paragraph 2. The paragraphs are not numbered, so it might help you to highlight them like that as you read them. You will focus better. So what's the answer here? Well, it's this one, number 2, different from other musicians, because only person with a particular style or talent. Okay, and now don't press this one, press this one. Number 3 for paragraph 3. What's the answer here? Well, it's that one, find work that will help in their profession, music-related work. Okay, and again, press that one, not the big one, about the website. Now, you might find yourself losing what paragraph you're in, so that's why, you see, I'm losing it myself, highlighting it to keep focused. The website, should it be attractive? It mentions attractive, but again, that's a trap for you. It's attractive not to music companies, to all people. So the answer actually is the last one, isn't it? Because it says straightforward for people, easy to use. Next. Oh, not here. You see, I'm doing it myself. I want to press this button. Don't press this button. Press that button. Is it sell tickets? No, it says sell CDs. So what is it? Ask local businesses to sponsor. Okay, and then that one. The final paragraph. longer paragraph. Look what it says here. Ask them very nicely and be as polite as you know how. Matches that, doesn't it? Be respectful. Now when you're sure you've done all 6, you can see the red dots to indicate that. Now you can press the big continue to the next section button. And we move on to the listening section of the exam.